Good morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are on camping day 3, but day 2 for me because I got here yesterday. We are making breakfast. We are having toast, mom is making eggs, and then we're also gonna have some watermelon and avocado and sausage, and I'm really excited. After breakfast we're gonna go down and I'm gonna do the zip line, and then we're gonna go to the lake. Oh yeah, they have the blob. I'm excited to wear my new bathing suit mainly.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's really cute.
We're heading down to go do some swimming, some zip lining.
Smooth it is now.
I don't think, did you miss the rock climbing?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, missed the rock climbing today. She'll have to do it tomorrow. Major storms last night. We were supposed to be on a different site, but when we got here, they told us that that site was really wet, and they actually had 5 cancellations, so we got a really good site. Showed us some videos of some major flooding that happened. I could not imagine if that was my campsite. I would be devastated and would want to pull my camper out, and I don't even know if it would. Wouldn't they get stuck?
It depends on how muddy it is.
But over here,
It's just
seems
water.
like
Is there a
Water sitting on hard ground.
Because we were supposed to be-
Wouldn't be fun hooking it up to do it.
right?
We were one of these muddy ones right here.
That one don't look too bad.
No, they are. No, you're not walking.
Yeah, they're squishy.
It's all mud.
There's like,
Look at right there. It's all
oh yeah,
water
that was our
outside of-
site.
Yeah.
You can't see it. And there's some mud over there, but you can't see it. I feel bad. This is makes for a very not fun camping trip when you wake up to everything soaked and it's flooded. Where were those other floods, Gracie? Oh, we're gonna have to turn around.
I told you I was gonna have to drive through.
Oh, then you're gonna have to somehow turn around. So this is a road, but apparently we're not getting through it, and it's blocked off anyways. I could not imagine my camper out here. Like, what if you had to stay till it was gone? Like, do they give you free camping? Look at that camper right there.
Yeah, it's up to their hitch.
Oh my gosh. That's horrible. Those poor people. Y'all ready? Not scared?
Nope.
What if it breaks? Can you swim? There she goes. She's brave. I could totally never, ever, ever do it. Here she comes. Ooh, she better lift her feet or they're gonna touch the water.
You got your feet wet.
Lift them up. Ooh, there's the Play-Doh. Right back there. And chocolate chip cookie dough, moose tracks. Gracie's getting raspberry chip cheesecake.
I got that last time.
Oh, that's not
Michigan pothole. We got a lot
That
of
one's
those.
good too.
Nope. Superman. We got Superman. You want Superman? He's in the daydream.
Or if you're leaving work and you're going to go your bike on a bike and you don't go over here on the
Ooh, don't like that thing. Hey, just ignore her.
What kind did you get? Play-Doh? Is it gum in there?
No.
What's that?
He's trying to ignore her.
Careful, honey. Get the end. No, lick the side.
You can have one of these.
Show him how to lick the side, Dad.
Like this. Go. Hold it.
Where?
I don't know. I think she's talking right
Yeah, right there. It looks like it's gonna fall.
there. You go.
You got it. What'd you get? Strawberry cheesecake?
Raspberry chip cheesecake.
Your dad copied you.
No. I got mine first.
Liar.
I got this last year.
She got it last year. It's not even melted yet.
Can you believe that it's been 365 days of people copying you?
Well, we enjoyed our ice cream and we were just getting ready to leave and it's raining. So we walked across the hall to the game room. Gracie is playing a mean game of ping pong with her dad. Jeez, Gracie, you're making your dad work. Gracie, you lose.
We're gonna play to 11. I'm already up 6-0.
Well, there's 7. I think you have to let it bounce. You lose, Gracie.
8. Shut up.
What did you say? Oh, good try, good try. You can't do that. Oh.
Too old to go under there. 9-0.
Whoa, now you gotta work.
My shutout.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Is it tied?
9-2. 9-2. Now I have
Ooh, you lose. Oh, it's dumb because you lose?
How many did you have, Gracie? Was it more than 11?
It's raining again. It should stop soon and then we should be good for the rest of the weekend, but look at these. Now if we get a better view over here. Their poor camper is literally underwater.
They had to get rescued by a boat.
Yeah, they had to get a boat to get these people out of their camper.
It's up to their door.
Oh, those poor things. Like, I feel so bad for them. Now we're trying to get back to our camper before we get any more. Well, our campsite isn't bad, and the sun is back out, so that's a bonus. Our wood's just wet on the end. We just got this little puddle right in front here. Yesterday, after we got back from the rain, we waited it out in the camper, and we didn't end up vlogging anymore for the rest of the day. The rain, it just kind of sprinkled, and then it just went away. We ended up just hanging out and that kind of thing. I didn't vlog anymore. This is a continuation vlog from yesterday's vlog. So we are on Sunday. Oh, what is it? May 26th? May 26th today. We are getting ready now. It's evening time too. We vlogged all day. We've been doing stuff. But we're getting ready to go rock climbing. Well, rock wall climbing. The kids are. I'm not doing it. And I don't think Jason's gonna do it, are you?
No, I have taters.
We're not like starving right now, so we thought we'd start making our dinner. We'll put it in the oven here to stay warm. So we thought we'd start making our dinner before we left. Potatoes can stay warm. And then I make these, did I even say that right? And then I make these, can't see them because I covered them, but I'll show you after we eat them. But these little foil packets, and they have shrimp, Polish sausage, and asparagus in them. Seasonings, but Gracie and Brady do not like chipotle or hot
pepper. No, you don't.
Yes,
no, you don't.
I do. I love spicy stuff.
But she doesn't want it in those packets. So
it's gross. You can't even taste the food.
Do you like those?
We like it.
Ranch?
see? So I put a little bit of salt and pepper and garlic powder on theirs. I put that on ours along with some chipotle seasoning. Chipotle seasoning. Never say it. So these will only take probably, when I put a little olive oil on them, it'll probably only take about 10 minutes, I would say, at the most, to cook on the grill when we get back. So that's good. Potatoes are done. We're gonna head out to the rock climbing, and you guys can see. Do you think Gracie will do it, or do you think she'll fall? She did pretty good on the zip lining. Let's go head out. And go!
Climb on.
That's a long ways. Oh my gosh, how high is that?
42 feet.
Oh.
Go, Gracie.
Whoa, look at her go. She's like a little Spider-Man. Spider-Woman. Well, stop making it look so darn easy.
She wants dinner. Right.
She's like, I'm hungry. Dad said I can't eat dinner if I don't get up
All I
here.
have to do is climb a 42-foot wall to eat dinner. I'm there. I didn't wear the proper foot gear.
Ooh, careful.
I like how I went to get Cameron's jacket. I come back and rock
You
it.
move off to your right and you get more
I'm
rocks.
like, no, I'm not doing it.
No?
I don't
Come on, Jen.
know.
I can't. I'm a chicken and I'm scared of heights.
I don't think I'd be vertical.
I'm terrified of heights.
I did they won indoors and I came there for a field trip. It
Ooh.
was not that high.
You're almost there. Just don't even think that it's 42 feet high.
Tell her that.
You got it, Grace.
I don't
There you
know.
go.
No, they are. There's a lot of eating.
Oh, you're so close.
Got it. There you go.
This is our first time doing this.
Yeah.
There you go.
Woo!
Try ring that bell. Good job.
Woo!
Hey, good job.
All right.
Yeah!
Both hands on that rope for me. Probably gonna swing a little bit to your right. Yep, that's okay. And I'll let you down the wall, nice and slow.
Look at you. You're like a pro. Wait, have you done this before?
I think she's got it.
Beginner's luck. Good job. All right.
Oh my god.
Dinner's
so
done.
smoky.
Look at those
It's so
potatoes.
smoky in here.
I love making food over the grill or the fire.
I love
Like
when
camping packet
I
foods
love
are so
when
good.
I make
So let's see what this looks like.
Shish kebab, yes
Shish
sir.
kebab. Ooh, look at that. Yum. Enjoy.
Oh boy,
Is
that's
it-
spicy. Spicy.
And then your
Did you
mouth
get
gets
some
done.
water?
And then you
Breathe
can't
the
enjoy
fire.
your food.
Gracie,
No, I
or Brady, did you like yours? Do you like shrimp? Ooh.
Here's a sausage.
Oh, that's sausage. Good old game of yard Yahtzee.
Oh, do I abandon it?
First one was a Yahtzee. I don't think you're doing that good this time. What are you trying for?
I need 5 or 1.
Jason, hey, you hit the small.
Oh.
4 in my 2s. Yep, 4. Yep.
Whose roll should that have been?
Did you just seriously get 2 Yahtzees?
Come on.
I would guess because you've got another spot.
100.
Do 150.
Jason, that doesn't count. You cheated.
What was that supposed to be?
Mine.
No. Wait.
In 6s too, which is the ultimate.
It wasn't it the first Yahtzee too? It was in 6s?
I'm not happy.
No, in 5s.
Okay.
There you go.
You gotta try to beat me and your dad's Yahtzees.
Might. Nope, 5
More
2.
shot.
Ooh.
Oh no.
Oh,
It was the 5 and the 6.
Not a bad
3 4s. That's a good 3 of a kind.
Gonna take your 4s?
Yeah.
Alright, so 12.
Gracie's in last at 181.
And then there's Jenny B over there. She's at 241.
Jenny B from the block.
403.
What?
403. So I came in second this time.
That's just
It's excessive.
Beginner's luck.
It's excessive. I didn't mean to rub anyone's face in it.
so you were second last,
Yes, with 220.
and then I was third last
Yeah.
with
241.
241?
Yep, good.
I got 241 and I had all those scratches.
Yeah.
You had a Yahtzee.
You had Yahtzee.
Oh, there we go. What did Cameron have?
Cameron got 255. I beat him out by 5 points for second place.
His handwriting looks like he's a 265.
Oh, like your writing's any better.
What about Jordan here? He looks like he's doing pretty
Jordan's getting 500, 600 by now. I don't know.
Yeah, he's doing pretty good.
You and I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
So that's going to conclude the rest of our camping weekend. We actually had a really great time. It was a very nice kickoff to summer, start of our camping season. We really enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this too. And if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Tomorrow morning, we will be going home and getting ready for the week, back to work, back to school, all that fun stuff. I hope you guys had a wonderful Memorial weekend. I hope you had fun with whatever you did and was safe and happy. Fun with your friends, family, however you spent it. I hope you had a wonderful time. Thanks a lot for watching today, and we will see you in our next video. Remember, always look on the bright side. Good night, guys.